Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Good afternoon world, it's Hughesie here, doing a quick video for Hippy Trev and a bit of an unboxing. And this is my Prezi in the mail. And if you're going to use a company called Aramex Transport Company, add an extra 2 weeks to your delivery, and you're only going to get your delivery if you ring them up. Yeah, so this actually arrived in Albury Wodonga, which is about 120 k's from here. And I don't know where it's been, but I rang them up this afternoon to find out where my package was, and yeah, could not be found. But there is a Prezi in the mail going off to Hippy, because I figure when it goes down to 11 degrees here during the day, you'll need a couple of flannel shirts. So they'll be sent a little bit later on today. In the meantime, here is my present, and holy dooly. This is different to what I expected, but anyway, expect the unexpected. So the first thing we've got is apple and berry crumble. Yeah, you guessed it. It's more ration packs. As you know, I like my desserts, and I'm 7 weeks away from my long service leave and about 9 weeks away from being up there in the big. So look out for me in the driveway. That's a dessert. I'll have to save that. Now, ration packs have gone up. In case everyone doesn't know, there's been a massive increase in price. So when the prices go up, in order to get lower prices, you need to buy in bulk. Oh, Jesus. So here we are. A bulk buy for a considerable amount less. Now, I'm no prepper, but what I've got in here is quite a lot of serves. And it's actually called an emergency preparedness bucket, so I guess I am a prepper, but I'm only preparing for a holiday. Backcountry, yeah, and a little bit about it there. And there is a total of, I don't know how many meals in here, but there's heaps. It's got a list of them here. It's even got a little Ziploc to make sure no one gets into it. I don't know why it's got so many, or is that just one big bucket? I'm going to open it up. These things have got a huge shelf life. Yeah. Maybe I am a prepper. I don't know what I'm prepping for. At my age, you just prepare for the next day. You don't prepare for anything else except the next day. Every day's a good day. Look at that. That's a serious bit of sealing up there. And let's have a quick look inside. But needless to say that this container will be extremely useful moving forward, and it's going to require a serious blade to get it open, I would imagine. She's pretty sturdy. I'm sure people at home know how to open these, but I'm going to have a crack at getting a knife in here. No, it's not going to come out easy. I can see that. Oh, Jesus. No, it's not going to come open easy. No instructions on how to open it, is there? No, just do your best. I may have to go outside and get a screwdriver, I think. Oh. Yeah, I'll come back to you. I'm back again, but you definitely wouldn't want to be a prepper without some useful tools. This thing is on well and truly hard. I did get it off. It won't be going back on again. There are lists of what's in it on the back here. In the way of meals. Geez, I tell you what, it's a good bucket. So you get the small serves, which are the ones Hippy and I like. We've gone off the big ones. Cooked breakfast, yogurt muesli, porridge, beef and pasta, classic beef curry, cottage pie, lamb fettuccine, roast veggies, chicken tikka, honey soy chicken, vegetarian stir fry, creamy carbonara, roast chicken, Moroccan lamb, and spaghetti bowl. So you're getting 6 breakfasts, 6 lunch, and 2 dinners. Squeaking noise is my dog waiting for his dinner. So, I'm pretty happy with the thickness of this. I mean, this is really thick, this thing. This would survive. Yeah. Give it up. Yeah, this thing would survive. Yeah, and these are the size I like. Occasionally like the big ones, but you know, as you can see here, you know, it looks pretty good. It's the standard packs, 2 of each, Moroccan lamb. So with a package like this, I won't have to worry about putting these in the pantry. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. It's just the time it took. The company is called Wallaroo Adventures. I mean, that is seriously thick. Wallaroo Adventures, and it's, yeah, it's a lot cheaper than buying them. You know, and at the moment they've gone up almost $5 a pack. They've gone up quite a lot. So yeah, that's me heading up to Hippy Trev's with my emergency preparedness. And last time I was up there, I found it really hard to go past some of the service stations with the dim sims. There was one bakery I called into on the way to Dubbo, but that's okay because, as everyone knows, I love a good bakery. Anyway, viewers, yeah, this is just a bit of a quick vid. Watch out for, you know, drive to Queensland to visit a mate. This time I'm going to stay for a little bit longer and help Trev paint his bus roof. And then I'm heading to Townsville for a month. So I'm going to be up there at Rose Bay, living the dream up there, and I'll probably see how I go coming home. Anyway, there it is, the adventure pack. I'll be able to recommend it because this is just so strong. It's just ridiculous. And I'll get a lot of use out of this in the future. And if you want to seal something up, I mean, Jesus. Yeah, it's seriously strong. Righto, Ash, come here.